These 6 different types of material here is containing gold. To find out how much gold is per kilogram, so pay attention and listen carefully. This one is a RAM memory from computer, and this one is a CPU with pins, and this is pinless CPU from computer also. Wristwatch, gold fill jewelry, and gold plated connectors from old keypad cell phone. So next, the CPU with pins. This is CPU from our collected laptop, and uh, the amount of gold recovered per kilogram of CPU pins varies significantly based on the age of and type of processors. As you can see here, the pins are only uh, plated, gold plated, not solid gold. So the amount of precious metal is very thin, but generally range less than 0.1 grams for modern and to over 4.5 grams for older. If Pentium Pro, some CPU pins are higher gold content. So next, RAM stick memory from computer also. This is contain a small amount of gold only from this finger. Yes, as you can see, very thin. The amount of gold typically from 1 to 3 grams per kilogram of RAM, but the varies by the type of the component by age. The older RAM may have more gold than newer version. If you cut this one, this is exactly look like. I have fingers cut already, and this is contain gold, which is 1 to 3 grams per kilogram of this cut material. This is the gold plated connectors from cell phone, and I have already accumulated nearly 1 kilogram of this. The gold here, there are approximately 3 to 7 gram of gold from it, but depending also on the age and model, more gold on old keypad cell phone connectors, and the larger gold plated material here is from old camera that I try to scrap. So it's much better to accumulate gold plated pins from old keypad cell phone. So that's nice for gold recovery. Another gold plated that nice to accumulate is gold plated wristwatch, which is contain significant amount of gold. This one, but as some suggested that this material, gold plated wristwatch, it's vary also the quality of plating, but the amount of gold in here is 6 to 10 gram per kilogram. But you know, it's hard to collect this type of material. Since I started collecting this one, I had accumulate only 2 kilogram, and some of my collected item also, this one, like this one, I purchased in a maybe higher price. You can find this one at your friend. commonly found in watch repair shop. You can buy that item. Very nice to accumulate this one. This is a higher content of gold than other scrap. And next is a gold filled scrap. This one is the base metal here, maybe copper. And I bend this one to see the thickness of the gold. As you can see, that is the gold. Yeah. This is very nice to accumulate if you have opportunity to buy or to ask your friend, because this is loaded with gold, which contain a thick layer of gold, approximately maybe 20 to 28 gram per kilogram of this type of jewelry. So very nice, buddy, but this is hard to find. And if you are looking for electronic scrap, look for the best electronic scrap in the junk store or in the establishment that you have known that use this type of electronics. This is switch internet. Very nice, gold plated here. As you can see, it's hard to detect, but back to back. And very nice connector here. Another example of high grade PCB board. This is, I have already depopulated and collect the gold plated pins here this side. This is a example of electronic scrap that you should look for. Also this one, I have already depopulate visible gold. And the high grade computer board that I had already collected gold plated pins here. Nice gold plated pins, and also the double socket CPU processor. And this one is very nice also, this one. So choose the best electronic scrap. And also this type of connectors, electronics device also, switch also, Cisco. This is the best electronic west for gold recovery. And the last but not the least, the electronic board from telecommunication antenna. If you are looking nice electronic scrap, find the high quality electronic like this one, visible gold at any corner. As you can see, very nice. So if you are looking, if you are planning also to buy electronic scrap, so be sure to collect and select high grade electronic PCB board like this one. If you see that the gold is visible in the PCB board, also the chips is containing, even the tiny one here, this one, capacitor, containing also gold. So invest your money wisely, and if you are planning for recycling. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. We have gold recovery in the next month. See you next time.